4?
I believe that's it.
No, there's one behind you. You probably didn't see it.
Oh,
You see it over there?
not yet.
Behind the broom?
Oh, right there. Thank you. No, I did not see that one. Got a gnat or something flying in my ear.
Well, there's several flies around, but I mean, with the way that it rained yesterday.
Oh, yes, to be expected. We got very lucky. A lot of folks in town didn't.
Oh, there's a couple more right here, too.
Yeah, I knew the ones in the back I hadn't got to see yet. I was worried about backing up and putting my knee on one.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, there we go.
Okay.
All right. But I'm sort of color blinded now.
Yeah, the sun will blind you, sort of.
All right. Now, I think I'm going to sort of get everything out of the inside up the front. Sweeping up what I can, and then turn the van around. Drag the hose out, and get a scrub brush, some soapy water, and just with the backing going downhill, just start washing. Won't hurt the floor mat. There's no wiring up here that's critical that's below the bottom of the dash. So we can wash all that without hurting anything. There's nothing here that's going to get hurt electrically in the back. What little bit of water that might get in these two lights, they don't work anyway, will not cause any issues. They'll drain out. Besides, there's a coming out and being replaced. So we can wash down the ceiling, the walls, and the floor. And then it'll make it easier to do undercoating or whatever we're going to do on the inside.
Okay. Stay here, Zip. Over here. There's our baby.